Welcome. This is your teacher David Garcia, and today we will continue working on the topic of the parabola. And in this video, we will focus on writing the vertex form of the equation for the parabola when the focus and the directrix are given to us. So let's begin, and let's imagine that the focus that they give us is 83 over 12, 8, and the directrix is x equals 85 over 12. Now, as always, the very first thing that we have to do is decide if we're dealing with a vertical or a horizontal parabola. In this case, we already know that whenever the directrix is given to us, this is where we will know. So in this case, if you see, the directrix given to us is x equals 85 over 12. So that means that we're dealing with a horizontal parabola. So the equation that we want to write is this one here. So we need to find the values for A, H, and K. Now, knowing that this is a horizontal parabola, we have to analyze the focus, because the focus will have the value for the horizontal position, the horizontal coordinate, as a fraction, and this one as a whole number. Now, if we analyze the focus in the formula, we will see that the horizontal coordinate is the one that is being modified, and it consists in the addition between h and 1 over 4 times a. So that means that this number 8 that we have in here is actually the value for k. So from the three values that we have, h, k, and a, we already know k, that is 8. Now from here, we will have to use this little equation here that comes from the focus and the directrix to find the missing variables. So let's begin. We have from the focus that h plus 1 over 4a will equal 83 over 12. Now, from the directrix, this one right here, let me mark it like this, we have that h minus 1 over 4a will equal 85 over 12. So if you see, what we have now is a system of two equations with two variables, the variables being h and a. But now if you see, we have this number here, 1 over 4a, on both equations with opposite signs. So that means that if we add them, we will get to cancel them. So let's do that. H plus h will be 2h. 1 over 4a minus the same number will get canceled. Sorry about that. Oh. And we have that this equals 83 plus 85 will be 168 divided by 12. We put these numbers in the calculator and we have that 2 times h will be 14. That means that h will be 14 divided by 2. That means that h is 7. So we have our coordinate for the horizontal position. And now we're just missing the value for A. Now in this case, we can use the directrix. Right, since we already have the value for H. We could use this one, but it's exactly the same. So doesn't matter which one you will use, you will get to the same answer. So we have that H minus 1 over 4A will equal 85 over 12. So let's bring this number that is subtracting to the other side adding. And let's bring this number here that is adding. Let's bring it over here, subtracting. So we will have that H minus 85 over 12 will be equal to 1 over 4 times A. So as H is 7, we have it in here, it'll be just a matter of writing the 7 in 12s. So that'll be 84. So we have 84 over 12 minus 85 over 12 will equal 1 over 4A. It will be negative 1 over 12. This is 1 over 4A. We rewrite our equation as reciprocals, and we have that 4A equals negative 12. That means that the 4 will go to the other side dividing. So negative 12 divided by 4, A equals negative 3. So now we have our third and final number. So now we can write the equation. Now we know that this parabola will be x equals negative 3 times y minus 8 squared plus 7. This is our final answer. Thank you very much, and I will see you in our next video.